Hello everyone, this is Yusuf12. This is a Target bat. Let's see what I got. I think this kind of stuff. There we go. Paw Patrol RC Action Cruiser. Easy steer remote control. 3+ these are from Spin Master. Here's the back. Easy to drive. RC remote control. Easy steer remote control. Fun learning app, Paw Patrol Academy. Hey parents, scan for more details. Download on the App Store. Get it on Google Play. Let's open it up. And because the box is big, we have to open from the bottom. I can't say it. We have to make sure the box is kind of small. And here's instructions. I don't know how this instruction feels like a manual. That's a big manual.
That might be a good game.
First, we're gonna get the remote control out. Here's the remote control. Now let's get the cruiser out. Tapes. That's one. And that's two. And free at last. Here's Jason's cruiser. Let's see how it works by putting the batteries in it. We need 5 AAA batteries for the cruiser and the remote control. That's one for the police cruiser. Now we need for the remote control.
I'm anti-coleslaw, but I've never tried it.
Come on, how do you open this?
About what? About what? 37?
Let's turn it on.
I have nothing.
Wait, it's still going. Come on, work. Come on, work. Why is the lights not supposed to be on? Why is the lights wasn't supposed to be on? Wasn't the lights supposed to be on? I don't think so. Maybe the batteries are dead. Let me know in the comments. Wait a minute, it's going. Oh, it goes in the box. Come on. If I really like that RC Patrol Cruiser, if I really like that RC Action Cruiser, it's probably the coolest thing ever. I really like that head rotation. His head moves, and he looks great in that police cruiser. I don't think that RC toys don't last forever. It makes some rolling action. Take a look at his chase badge 2, and the same thing. It has some lights, pup badge. It has some wings, 2 lights on the back, and he looks great. It has lights when the light goes on, and it has wheels on the bottom with 4 wheels. It needs 2 AAA batteries on for the remote control and 3 AAA batteries for the police cruiser. But you never expect me for getting one because that's how it magically tastes. But so far, it remembers how they can be far enough to be one of your greatest toys. Remember, these toys are for at least $29. You can purchase anyone. I can't remember. You can purchase anyone. I can't say it. You can purchase when you're. I can't say it again. You can purchase anyone at your local stores. Because that's how I have to say we like it. We can't talk so much because we have to say after like a few hours ago. Because this is how it magically tastes. It looks like a pup bat. I don't know what it means. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, I do know how we care about these toys. We can see more of these toys in the future because that's how the market tastes. It never seems to be working out well. But yeah, I do know how we love Chase so much because he's a dog. But I have to say, like other pops we see for the past few days, like we say, no job is too big, no pup is too small. But yeah, like this was about the Paw Patrol RC Action Cruiser. Remote control. Bye.